Hello friends, today I have got a chance to visit a village. When I have come in this village, I have realized that the life of the village is quite different from the life of city. Cities, they are full of hue and cry. You cannot get peace of mind in city. But as far as village is concerned, you can get peace of mind here. When you come into a village, you will feel a type of pleasure. This is the pleasure which cannot be defined in words. So, the same pleasure I have felt today. One more thing I would like to tell you. I have realized that village is the mother of city, because in the very beginning there was a village, and that village, when it developed, it was converted into a small town. A small town, it was converted into city, and city, it was converted into metropolitan city. So today I can say that village is the mother of city. When a child goes to its mother, the child feels a type of strange happiness, a type of sensation takes place in the heart of the child. This is the pleasure which is undescribable. Similarly, when the people who are living in city, when they come in the village, they feel the same sensation, they feel the same pleasure which cannot be described. So friends, we can get peace of mind, inner satisfaction, calm around everywhere in the village. These things cannot be found in cities. It is true that in city we can earn more money in the comparison of village. We can make waiter career in the comparison of village, but we cannot find one thing, that is peace of mind. So that's why I appeal to all my students, to all my friends, that you must visit at least once in month your village, because it will refresh your thoughts. It will provide you a very special pleasure, and this is the pleasure which can be only felt. It cannot be described, and it can be realized, it can be got only when you visit a village. Thanks.